Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Udan. Today's date is 28th September 2021, and in this video we discuss about the inheritance. So, what is inheritance? Inheritance is one of the important pillars of a OOPS or a object-oriented programming language. So, let's discuss about what is meant by inheritance. Inheritance means one class can acquire all the properties and behavior of another class. So, in inheritance we use a simple one keyword, that is extend. So by extending the another class, we can acquire all this behavior and the properties or a whole code from this separate class in this one class. So that classes are also called as a super class and a subclass, or a parent class and a child class. Means, for example, if we create a one class, that is a class animal, and after that if we create a class dog. So if I want to extend or inherit this class, so simply we write a dog or a class dog extend to class, sorry, in this we write a class animal extend to class dog. So what happen, all the properties of a class animal are in a transfer in a class dog. So can we call a dog is an animal? So means in a dog there is its own property or its own code plus its additional data of a animal class, because if we inherit from this class. So dog, so we call a dog is an animal. So simply this is a relationship. So inheritance also called as a is a relationship. So for example, if we create a number of classes and then extend a class, one class to second class to third class, third class to fourth class, mean in a last class we get all the property and all the behavior of from a first class to all classes. So this is about the inheritance. So now discuss about some advantages of inheritance. What are the advantages of inheritance, or why we inherit the classes? So it is the first advantage, or why we use the inheritance, means it improve the code reusability, because in a one class we acquire the properties of another class. Means in the same class there are the properties of two classes. So by using this class or object of this class, we use we create another object with two classes, because in this there are number of data is more than this own class. So and another advantage of inheritance, we can achieve a polymorphism or a method overloading by inheritance. What is a method overloading? Method overriding by using this inheritance, because for example, if one class acquire some method of a specific name, so in this class method addition is present, and if another class in this class also another method is that is addition method also present. So two different classes having a two same name method, but if we extend, means one class having a two same name methods. So this is called as a method overload or overriding. So now this is about some advantages. Now discuss about some disadvantages of inheritance. So in inheritance, the classes are couple strongly, because we inherit the one class to another class, and if I change in this specific class, so it change occurs in a whole code or a whole programming, because we inherit the classes or acquire the property of this class. And if I change some data in first class or a parent class, so it changes also occur in a child class. So this is the disadvantages and advantages of inheritance. Now discuss about what are some types of inheritance. So there are mainly four types of inheritance, that is single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and a multiple inheritance. So what is a single level inheritance? In a single level inheritance there are only two classes, that is a parent class and child class. So child class can acquire all the properties of parent class, or it means child class extend the parent class. So in a multi-level inheritance, there are a number of classes, n number of classes, and classes acquire or inherit one by one. Means class 1 inherit class 2, class 2 inherit the class 3, class 3 inherit the class 4, in this sequence. And what is a hierarchical inheritance? In a hierarchical inheritance, one single class can acquire all the properties or extend by another classes. Means if we create a class A, class B, class C, class D, so only we write class A extend to class B, class A extend to class C, class A extend to class D. Means only one class can extend or extend all classes or inherit the all classes. So this is about some types of inheritance and some advantages, disadvantages, and what is meant by basic definition of inheritance. So thank you.